welcome back to my channel. Sorry it's been a little bit since I posted a video. Just a lot of personal things going on, but let's just get right into this video. So this look is going to be a sunset cut crease wearable look. I actually wore it out all day and I got so many compliments. I started off using that bright orange from the Sephora Editorial palette, and then I'm picking up the shade Real Girl from the Modern Renaissance, which is another orange, which is a darker orange, and I'm just using that to deepen up my crease, and I'm applying that right underneath that really bright orange we used. So I just haven't been really feeling like myself. That's really why I haven't filmed. I did film a video last week and I just wasn't happy. I don't know, it's just not really feeling like myself these days. So I'm sincerely sorry that I haven't posted in a little while. I'm then taking this shade Hot Red. It's the NYX Primal colors. It's a bright red, and I'm tapping that right onto my outer crease, and I'm not really blending it first. I'm really just patting it because I really want the pigmentation to come out darker. For some reason this is looking a little pink, but it's not. It looks exactly like the other side. I think it's just the lighting, since I have a softbox light facing that side, but it's exactly the same, and I'm just really patting it, and then I'm blending it into the crease as well, and I'm kind of covering like half of my eyelid with it. I'm then picking up some Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm using that to cut my crease. I absolutely love cutting the crease. I think it just makes the look so much nicer and so much cleaner. So yeah, I'm applying it right into my crease, and I kind of apply it like right above my actual crease to make my eyes appear larger. I'm then using my finger to blend out. Then I'm taking this MAC Cosmetics Pigment in the shade Melon, and I'm using some Fix Plus, or I think that was Smashbox setting spray, and I'm using that to pick up the pigment so that the pigmentation is even brighter, and I'm putting that everywhere I put the concealer. And then picking up Kiss lashes in number 11 that are my absolute favorite lashes, and I'm applying that using some lash glue. And I use this tool that I got off Wish that was like $1, and I'm apply it right into the center, and then I take some tweezers to stick the edges. I am then taking my favorite liner, it's the tattoo liner, and I use this to create a wing. And I first draw a line, and then I take it and bring it all the way to the inner of the center, and then I just fill in that space. I'm then taking this unicorn oil just to prime my face and really hydrate my face, and I'm applying it the way everyone does, like teardrops, really cool, and it smells amazing. I'm then taking some Dr. Brandt Pores No More, and I use that to prime my face. Then taking my It Cosmetics CC cream, and I'm just putting that all over my face using this Tarte foundation brush. A YouTuber, SMLX0, basically made me buy it because she said how much she liked it, and it is really good. I think it kind of doesn't make it as full coverage, so that is why I'm going in with a beauty blender right now with more of the It Cosmetics CC cream, just to get the full coverage that I'm used to when I use it. I'm then taking my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Light, and I'm just concealing and brightening my face with this. And then I am blending everything out with the same damp beauty blender. And this beauty blender I got from my MAC Cosmetics sale haul that I got from MAC Cosmetics. And I'm going to be honest, it does not feel the same as my pink one. It's not as larger when you wet it under the water. And it just, I don't know, it's just definitely not the same. So I know my concerns were, I wonder if it was the same because they were selling at MAC Cosmetics. And the answer, they are not the same. They are definitely different. I'm then taking my Maybelline Fit Me concealer stick to contour, and if you watch my older videos, you know how much I actually used to use this all the time, and then I switched to the Benefit Hoola contour stick, but now I am using this again, and I forgot how much I loved it because it blends out like a dream. It is so creamy, and it looks so natural. And I am just using this MAC Cosmetic brush that I actually got off eBay like years ago because I really wanted MAC Cosmetic brushes and I couldn't afford them. So I got them off eBay for cheaper. So yeah, I'm using that to blend it out. And now it's time to set everything. I'm taking my Laura Mercier Secret Brightening Powder and I'm using that to set under my eyes. I always get some questions about the powder I'm using. It's not the translucent powder, it's the Secret Brightening one. I believe they only have one size of it and it's $25 and I absolutely love it. I'm then taking my It Cosmetics CC powder. It's an airbrush finish powder and I absolutely love how it sets my face. And then I'm using the Kat Von D Hoola, what am I saying? The Kat Von D Contour Shade and Light palette, and I'm using that middle shade to bronze up my face and set that darker concealer. I'm then taking the Tarte Cosmetics Blush Book in the shade Heated, and I'm using that on the apples of my cheek. And then picking up that red shade again, and I'm using that to line my waterline. And I'm taking all the crease shades I used as well, so I'm going to start with the red. And then I'm going to be picking up Real Girl from the Modern Renaissance, and I'm just using basically every shade I used in the crease. I'm using that underneath my eyes as well. I'm then picking up the shade Melon and I'm using that right next to the red and then my inner corner as well. And then for mascara, I'm using the Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara. I know it kind of seems like I'm using a lot of high-end products, and I am, but I do get everything on sale. I never buy full-price items, so if you want more an affordable look, just let me know down below, and I'll definitely do that for you guys, because I have a lot of drugstore products as well, so just let me know. Then we're going to go on to brows, because they do not look good. I'm using the Benefit My Precisely Brow Pencil, and then I'm using the 24-Hour Brow Setter. I have been loving this combination lately. I feel like it really changed my eyebrows because they're never even. They never looked good filled in crazy amount. So I basically stopped using everything I used to use, the Anastasia products, the Gerard Cosmetics Brow Bar to Go. Those used to be hands down my favorite products ever. And I really just stopped using it and I went to these products. And here's the comparison of the brows, no brow products, and brow products. Now this brow is definitely my favorite. I don't know why, I can never get the other one to look the same as it. But yeah, I mean, brows are not twins. They're not, I don't think they're sisters, I think they're cousins. Sorry about the dog barking, someone got food delivered. So she goes crazy. Then using the brow setter, and I'm using that to set my brows. And the final finish of the brows. Woo! I'm then taking the desixkaty Dose of Colors Collab liquid lipstick in the shade Hot Fire. Sorry, some of it's cut out. I didn't realize how zoomed in I was. But I absolutely love this shade with this look. I think it like basically came hand in hand. They're like perfect together. Really wearable at the same time. They're not like too crazy. And then I'm going to set my entire face using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, and yeah, that will complete this look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you are not already, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I post, and I will see you all in my next video.